finally, what we want to now do is add a footer to the table, and this particular tab shows us what text needs to be added into the footer. And as you can see, this footer, just like the caption, is related to the table. It gives you more context, gives the readers more context as to what this table contains and how to read the data from the table. Now when we go back to JSFiddle, as we looked at in the caption, you can always add a paragraph tag, but if we don't want to add another element, what we want to do is we want to contain it within the table tag itself. Now to do that, just like a T head and T body, we'll add a tag called T foot, which is a footer, right? The table footer. And in this, just like we did above, we'll add a new row because that's a new cell that we want to add, and in a new cell we'll add the text that we just saw in the Excel file. Now if I click on run, I see that there's two things that happen. One is that the cell in the footer turned out to be blue color, and the cell was only included in the first column. Now what we actually want is the footer to span across all the columns, and it should not be blue. So let's solve the span problem first, because what we know, we've learned before, is row span and col span. Now this particular scenario, this cell spans across 5 columns, which means we would have to use a col span. So we would say col span and 5 columns. So let me give that a value, click on run, and one issue has been resolved. Now the cell spans across 5 columns but is still not of the same color that we want it to be. We want it to be background color white. Now this problem can be easily solved. There's two ways of solving this problem. One is you remove the style that you've just added on top, but if you remove that, then of course the entire first column won't be blue color anymore, and you would have to add CSS to specifically make that blue color. Or the other option is, what we can do is we can add CSS to specifically target this cell in the footer and make the background color white. So let's do that. So we have T foot, and in that we have a TD cell. Background color for that is white. Let's give this a run, and there we go. So now our problem is solved. We have a white color table footer, just like the design that we have in our Excel file.